Now, there is this worry, perhaps, that with the euphoria that came with GameStop and everyone rushing into Robinhood, we then get back to our normal lives. We start wanting to get out, being sat in bars rather than trading online.
I think that 2020 was a very interesting year. It got a lot of people to participate in the market out of speculation. But as you mentioned, as people are coming back to their normal days and their normal lives, there is that need for them to continue investing, but they don't have the time to think about their portfolio, to construct a diversified portfolio.
Okay, so how is Atomic Invest doing just that? How are you helping build out the infrastructure that allows us to have a diversified portfolio? So for the likes of Robinhood, which share price has been, shall we say, I assume everyone's going to be able to start offering a more accessible way to invest, right?
Yeah, in the next 3 to 5 years, we wouldn't be able to count the number of investing platforms in our hands. Investing will be ubiquitous. Banks, fintechs, credit unions, payment apps, anyone will have the opportunity to start their investing journey through these platforms.
Why do you think that there has been some stark successes, but perhaps fewer of them than we are used to over in Europe?
I think what we've seen happen over the last couple of years is a lot of entrepreneurial activity around building platforms that are targeted at helping specific types of people.
I have the great fortune of talking about business day in, day out, but I know how, even for me, intimidating, say, the world of crypto is, because of the analogies that are suddenly used, because of the acronyms, and I feel that that's almost what Wall Street tried to build up back in the days of the heady days of 2008 with CLO this, CDO that. How intimidating is finance still for people who really are at the lower income space that we want to see included, that we want to see build wealth?
Very intimidating. And I think this comes down to the fact that there is an educational gap when it comes to financial literacy and investing that has to be addressed in this country.
Because at the moment I see some really great content on things like TikTok and on Twitter, and I'd love to hope that we and I can provide to that. But there's also a lot of rubbish on there too.
And so I think a lot of work has to be done as well, and not only having voices that are speaking about what's trendy, but also voices that are thinking or speaking about the benefits of planning for the future, diversification, asset allocation, and other principles of investing that are very important to adhere to.